Assalamu alaikum, my amazing friends. Welcome back to Irin Academy. I am Irin Sultana Samia. Let's begin. And thank you for giving your precious time to yourself by watching this video. Today, I promise you one thing. If you stay with me till the end, you will walk away with a simple, clear, and powerful roadmap to become the best version of yourself. You will learn how successful people transform their life, how you can build discipline and confidence, and how to upgrade your mindset, your habits, and your environment, and how you can start your transformation journey from today. This video is not about motivation that fades in 1 hour. This video is a practical blueprint that you can apply immediately. So let's begin your transformation story. Before beginning, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe this Irin Academy, where learning meets to growth. Let me take you into the life of Keanu Reeves, one of the most respected actors in the world. Everybody knows about his movies, but very few know about the storms he survived. Keanu grew up on a broken childhood, an absent father, and a struggling mother, and constantly school changes. On top of that, he had dyslexia, which made reading and studying extremely painful. People called him slow, unfocused, not good enough. But he discovered one powerful secret early in his life: work silently. When people judged him, he practiced. While others wasted time complaining, he just focused on his self improvement. No noise, no showing off, just growth. That's your first secret. Work silently, improve quietly, build yourself private. Let the results make noise. Your best version is built when no one is watching. Now let me take you to London, to a young girl who loved singing more than anything else. But she struggled with her self-image. She doubted herself and she faced many emotional challenges. But at last, she started her journey in a tiny room with barely any audience. But she did one thing consistently. She kept showing up. She practiced her voice every day. She wrote songs even when no one was believing her. She performed even when her room was half empty. Most people quit when they don't see quick results, but Adele didn't. And that consistency, that small daily efforts turned her voice into one of the most powerful voices in modern music. That's your second secret. Be consistent, even when the world is silent, because consistency builds confidence, consistency builds success, and consistency builds you. Here is a truth most people ignored. You can become the best version of yourself staying in a worst environment, because negative people drain your energy. An unhealthy habit kills your potential, and a chaotic routine destroys your confidence. So ask yourself, who do you spend the most time with? What kind of content do you watch every day? What habits repeat in your routine? Do these things make you grow or hold you back? because your environment is either lifting you up or hold you down. So here is a third secret for you. Choose an environment that supports your dream, not that one suffocates them. Protect your energy, protect your mind, and protect your future. You don't have to be Keanu. You don't have to be Adele. You only have to become stronger than your past self. The best version of yourself is not the different person. It is you with more focus, with more discipline, with more courage, and with more self respect. The hero you are looking for is already inside you. So ask yourself, are you ready to grow? Are you ready to change? Are you ready to become the strongest version of you? So your transformation begins with one simple steps. The decision to start. Not tomorrow, not one day, but today. If you are ready to upgrade your life, hit the like button and comment I am ready to grow below. Let's grow together. Your best version is waiting. Let's begin. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.